Today I'm going to teach you how to turn a simple headshot into a playful winter portrait using AI image generation. This one is fun, cozy, festive, and yes, there's candy involved. First, you need a headshot of yourself, something similar to this headshot of mine. You don't need a fancy camera or professional lighting. What you do need is a clear headshot with parameters like face fully visible, clean background, no heavy emojis or filters, good lighting. AI models understand your face best when the photo is natural. Don't worry about smiling perfectly. A relaxed neutral photo is ideal. Then go to Google Gemini and click the Create Image option. Then upload the headshot. Following this, enter this prompt. Create a portrait of me wearing a red beret and a fluffy white coat, holding a large red and white spiral lollipop that partially covers one eye. I have striking red lipstick and a sweet smile. My red glove features a clearly visible white heart. The background is a winter scene with a bokeh effect, falling snow and blurred festive lights, creating a cozy and cheerful atmosphere. Keep my facial features consistent with the uploaded photo. Think of your prompt like a recipe. If you leave out ingredients, like the bokeh winter lights or the candy spiral, your final dish won't taste right. Click Enter. As we wait for the results, I want to let you know that I have compiled a complete collection of 35 copy and paste Nano banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. Inside this free guide, you get 10 holiday ambiance prompts, 10 color correction prompts, 10 decor and weather prompts, and 5 family portrait fixes. All of these prompts you can use immediately in Nano Banana. The image is ready. Wow, what a transformation. This is a portrait that feels sweet, cozy, and charming, not stiff. The lollipop partially covering one eye creates instant personality and movement. The fluffy white coat and red beret make the whole scene pop against the winter bokeh backdrop. This is perfect for social media, holiday cards, gifts, profile pictures, or prints. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs some playful winter inspiration. And don't forget to download my 35 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description.